Hello everybody, I'm just popping in quickly today to give you a tutorial on the twisted knit 2 together stitch and the twisted purl 2 together stitch. They look more difficult than they are when you look at the written instructions. To actually do them really isn't too bad at all. So yeah, I'll just give you a really quick demonstration so you can see, you know, you've got a quick reference guide and see what you're meant to do. So I'll just knit a couple in, 2 or 3 stitches in. Okay, right, so this is really easy. It's not as difficult as it sounds at all. So if you do the twisted knit 2 together stitch first, and you keep your yarn in the back, you slip purlwise 1 stitch onto your right needle, and then your next stitch on your left needle, you take your right needle through the back loop of that stitch, slip it onto your right needle. There you've twisted your stitch the way you want it. And you take your left needle through the front loop of both of those stitches and just slide them back on to your left needle. And then what you do for the twisted knit 2 together, you literally just put your needle through as you would on a normal knit 2 together, yarn round, knit, and it's that simple. Okay, so I'll show you again. So we're going to slip 1 onto the right needle purlwise. Going to slip the next one onto the right needle but go through the back loop purlwise. You've now got 2 on that right needle, and then what we're going to do is take the left needle through the front loops, slide them back across, and then just go in and knit 2 together. And that's it, that's your twisted knit 2 together. So if I just knit a couple more, and then I will show you the twisted purl 2 togethers. They're very similar. It's just the very last step that's different. So bring the yarn to the front, well, the first step if you count the yarn in front as well. So we bring the yarn to the front, we slip 1 purlwise, slip 1 through the back loop purlwise, put them back onto the left needle going through the front loops as we did before, but instead of knitting through the front loop together like that, we're purling through the back loop. So you just come through your back loop, 2 together, purl, off the needle. So keep your yarn in front, we'll do 1 more. So we'll slip 1 purlwise, we'll come through the back loop, slip that 1 purlwise, come through the front loop with the left needle, back onto the right needle, then twist through the back loop of both of them like that. Yarn round, purl it off the needle. That is as simple as it is. It looks a lot more complicated written down than it is to do. So 1 more time for each one. So yarn to the back for the twisted knit 2 together. So we're going to slip 1 purlwise, slip 1 purlwise through the back loop, put them back onto the left needle on the front loops, and then knit 2 together as you normally would. Okay, and then what we'll do is yarn to the front, slip 1 purlwise, slip 1 through the back loop, put them back onto the left needle, and then purl 2 together through the back loop. And there we go. That's your twisted knit 2 together and your twisted purl 2 together. And there we are. So this one is just a mix of working through the back loops in a purl or a knit stitch and then doing your twisted knit 2 togethers to get your shaping on this side, and it's so effective. Like, I just love the way these turn out. And yeah, and this is just a sneak peek of the pattern that's coming soon at the end of April. Okay, thanks everybody. Bye.